welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. So today as usual I have my daughter, and as the description says, it's a haul video, and just like all my haul videos, the person who will be accompanying me is my daughter. So here she is as usual, guys. And today it's a haul video, not a haul video. Yes, I will tell you why. And here I am yet again with the series of giveaway, and the series is about something that I have started with all my haul videos. I am going to show the products and there will be a giveaway. The steps to follow to win this giveaway is very simple. You have to subscribe to my channel. You have to like my videos. You have to follow me on Instagram. Please ignore that. Okay, you have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to let me know in the comment section below that you are following me on Instagram, and share your Instagram ID as well, guys. So yes, you can follow me on Instagram, follow me here, and participating with your Instagram ID so that I can cross check that. And yes, that's the rules of this giveaway, and it's quite simple. And once you do this, you have entered the giveaway. When I reach 1000 subscribers, I'm going to announce the results of this giveaway. So yes guys, that's the main protocol I had to tell about today. So let's start with today's haul video. Yes, the reason I am mentioning it as haul video is because I was going through a few things. I was researching on what a haul video means. So when I searched the meaning of haul, I was surprised by the meaning of haul. I was like, what? Because the meaning of haul is that illegally owning something or illegally possessing something. So are we really illegally possessing something when we show you haul videos? Definitely not. So I was like, okay, then what does shopping haul means? Because there are so many shopping hauls out there. So I was like, what does shopping haul mean? So when I searched this meaning, I was surprised to know that actually shopping haul is a thing where the speaker speaks about products that they have shopped that is really very hard to find. Okay, so is the products that I am showing you hard to find? Definitely not. So that's the reason I told you it's not a shopping haul. So yes guys, if you have researched on this and found meanings about the shopping haul, please let me know down there in the comment section. And I am very excited to show you my shopping video. So I bought this many products. I got it few from Amazon, few from purple.com. So this is a mixture of products. I have skincare, then I have makeup, and I don't think so I have any hair care. Yeah, one product of hair care. Actually I did not buy that, I got it for free. So what are we waiting for, right? Let's get started. And this is from Blue Heaven. It's their eyebrow pencil. This is how the packaging looks like. So yes, and I got it in the shade brown color. I got it in the brown shade, and this is how it looks like. It has a very fine spoolie. This is how the brush is, very fine. I mean, it's very soft, and you can just comb off your eyebrows. And the next product here is the eyebrow pencil which we get, and it's quite a lot, a decent amount I could say. See, this is how much of the product you get, and this is in the triangular shape. If you could see that, it is in the triangular shape, just like the sugar eyebrow pencil. I forgot what their name is, but yes. So I know I cannot compare such a big brand with Blue Heaven, but Blue Heaven is a made in India brand and the product is amazing. I have tried to use this before and I just loved it. It's the perfect thing for my eyes. So yes guys, this is the first product I have. The next product here I have is a concealer. Yes, this is a concealer from NYB. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the product looks like. So this, I am in the shade number 3 and the shade is called Darkened White Chocolate Pretzel. Yes, it's pretzel, and this comes in a plastic bottle just like their liquid lipstick, and this is the shade guys. Yes, it's a very nice shade.
Very nice.
Yes, it's very nice. See, it blends really well, so it's very good, and Kanika likes it too. Okay, she has actually thought it is a lipstick guys. So yes, this is the next product. The third product I have here is again makeup. I bought this from Amazon during the Great Indian Festival. There was some offer going on. So this is priced at 750 rupees, which is the MRP. And guess what? I got it just for rupees 350, which was a great deal. And this is how the packaging looks like. You have it written on the cap and few stickers. And I'm in the shade number 118 Warm Nude, and this is how the pump looks like. It's a very nice pump and it's very good guys.
That's so cute.
Yes, it's a very cute bottle. So yes, that's the next thing we have. And the thing after that we have is again makeup. I thought I will show all the makeup products first. So this is again makeup. This is a contour stick I bought from NYP. This is how the packaging looks like. Okay, so they have a range of, it is actually called the foundation, concealer, contour, color corrector stick, because it has a wide range of products, everything included. So yes, and I bought the contour stick because I did not have a contour stick, and it was at a very affordable range. I got it at just at around 70 rupees, which was a great deal. And look at the shade, and it blends really well. It has got a very creamy texture. It has got a very creamy texture guys. It's very nice. So the next product that we have is this lip balm. I'm just loving the fragrance of it guys. This is a lip balm from Good Vibes in the range Vanilla, and the package inside is also very nice. It has Good Vibes written and it's in the matte green color. This is how the packaging looks like, and inside you have the lip balm like this. God, this is heaven.
I love vanilla.
Yeah, she loves vanilla. Look at her. It just smells like ice cream, so that's the reason she likes it actually. So yes guys, that's the next product. Up next we have here is this Tea Tree Skin Cleansing Toner. This is how the bottle looks like. I've got 120 ml of the product, and it smells just like I have got a Tea Tree face mask. This one smells similar to that. I just wanted a few things. Thank you. So the next thing up here is again, it is from the green tea range. It's a Good Vibes green tea moisturizing makeup cleansing lotion. So this is how the product is, and you get 120 ml of the product for 199 rupees, but I got it for 126 rupees, which was a great deal guys. Steal deal actually. And I just got a message actually that Purple's Diwali sale is live for Elite members. If you are an Elite member, you can just go and grab it. So I have this product which I will be showing last, because I just love it. I had been waiting for that product from a long time, so it will be the last one I'm going to show. Up next, again a toner, which is a Good Vibes Rice Brightening Toner. With rice being in the beauty world lately, I thought, and this is their latest launch, I thought I have to try the rice range from Good Vibes. So yes, this is the next toner. It smells like more of a perfume rather than a rice
So
thing.
nice smell.
Yes, it has got smell, which is because of the perfume they have added in the product. It has more of perfume rather than the qualities of rice. I mean, the smell that rice would have. But yeah, let's use and see how exactly it's going to work. Up next is another toner. This is the Witch Hazel Toner, 120 ml again. This is also one of their latest launch. I've heard a lot of good things about Witch Hazel on your skin. So I thought of just using it. Let's see how it goes. And yes guys, this is the next product. Up next we have another toner, and this is from the Khadi Natural Rose Water. You know, right, rose water is something that is like needed for almost all your DIYs. It's good for your hair, it's good for your skin, it's good for everything. So I thought yes, and I had used the Arts Goodness Rose Water Toner. I have used a Good Vibes Rose Water Toner. So this time I wanted to try something else. I cannot miss on rose water. So I wanted to try something else. So that's the reason I have bought this Khadi Naturals Rose Toner. It comes in a dropper bottle like this. It doesn't have a spray. So yes, if you want to smell it, you have to smell it like this. So yes, it's a very good smell guys. It's got a natural rosy smell, I could say. It's very nice. So the next product we have is this Purple Oil Control Serum with tea tree and papaya oil. This is how the product looks. It has got a plastic cover. I haven't opened it yet. I just wanted to try serums for my pimple marks. If you are someone who have watched my videos, you will know I'm suffering from a lot of acne breakouts right now after using a few of the products. So I have shared my reviews on those products as well. I have also shared my reviews about the Wow Anti-Acne Serum, which is helping me combat those pimple issues. So yes, this is another product which I'm going to try to combat with my acne issues. So after that I have another product to treat the same issue, which is acne, and this is a Purple Skin Radiant Serum with mulberry and tea tree oil. This is how the packaging looks. I had seen that this package is beautiful on all the haul videos. Just like me, I am sure you are also someone who loves watching haul videos. Yes guys, so Kanika is laughing because she knows how many haul videos I watch in a day. It's literally like never ending, one after the other. So I had watched videos and I had seen that people just explain about the packaging. So this comes in a dropper like this, and this is how the bottle looks. Look at how fancy. I don't know, in the camera it's not looking as fancy as it is looking to me actually. Look at the bottle, Kanika. How is it? It's very nice actually. It's very beautiful. So that's the next product we have here guys. And after that we have is this NY Bay Glowing as a Broadway Queen face serum. This is my second purchase actually. The first purchase is this one. I had bought only 10 ml of the product, and there is only very little, just till here is the product that is left out. I am almost done using this. Another 2 to 3 days it will finish off. So to replace that, this time I have bought a 30 ml of the product. This is how the product is, and you get a dropper with this as well, and this bigger bottle which is completely full, as you can see here. So yes, smell it. So this is the next product guys, and up next we have is another. I have been using the Dermdocs face serum. This is actually Barrier Protect face serum with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which is actually a very good. I just love the smell. It's working wonders on my skin. My skin has been loving it, and I use this in the daytime skincare routine and the NY face serum in the nighttime skincare routine. So the next product that I have after I use the DermDoc product is, I thought I need to try more DermDoc products. So that's the reason I have purchased this DermDoc anti-acne face serum with salicylic acid. Even this comes with a dropper. Actually I wanted more quantity, but the DermDoc range of serums comes only in the 10 ml range, except for retinol is the one they have with 30 ml. Rest all of them are just 10 ml range. So the next product again is a serum. This is the DermDoc Dark Spot Reduction Face Serum. This is how the package looks. And again it's the same bottle and same dropper. I just don't want to explain again all over everything and spend a lot of time for this video. I just wanted to be quick. Up next is the Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Glow Serum. Just because NY Bay worked really well, and they are sister brands, like it's actually owned by Purple itself. So I thought of trying Good Vibes Vitamin C and B3 as well. So it comes with a cap. This is a sealed bottle, and it comes again with one more cap. All the products are the same. They all come with double cap, with double protection. Oh my god, I just love the packaging, because you know your products are really very safe when they come from purple.com. So that's the reason I love products from purple.com. Up next is another product, which is the Good Vibes Castor Oil. Castor oil is a very good product for your hair as well as your skin, guys. I have seen a lot of them actually telling that castor oil should not be applied on the skin. Hair tends to grow there. So it is always good to have a serum as well. I mean, what am I talking? It's good to have castor oil for your skin as well. It has anti-aging properties, it fights serum, it cleanses your pores. All of those are the properties of castor oil, which is again good for your skin as well. So I thought of using it as a few drops, adding it in my hair oil, as well as using this as a makeup remover or double cleansing. So that's the reason I bought 100 ml of the product. This is priced at 130 rupees, but I got it around 50 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. I got it just for rupees 50. The next product we have is the Seaweed and Hibiscus Hydrating Age Defying Night Gel from Good Vibes Plus. This is how the product looks, and inside there is a glass jar with a brown outer layer, and it is a gel. But it is a creamy gel. Actually the product is all over. It's already outside, so this is how the texture is, and it blends really well.
Smell is very good.
Yeah, the smell is really very nice, guys. It's good. If you are someone who don't like perfume products, you may stay away from it, because the smell is quite strong actually. From Good Vibes, I had used their pomegranate and jasmine face night cream, which worked really well for me. So I thought of trying this one. Let's see how it works. So the next product we have is a DermDoc Damage Recovery Night Cream with kojic acid. This is a 60 ml of the product. This is how the packaging looks, and this is how the cream looks. And the texture of this product is quite strange. It is like a thick texture. I don't know how my skin would like this. Let's use and see. I don't know. The texture is quite thick. Okay, the next product we have is again from DermDoc. This is the anti-acne face gel with salicylic acid again. So salicylic acid is very good for your skin. I mean, it has anti-acne properties, and oh my god, this is not coming out. Yeah, and my goodness, It is a complete gel, but it's very watery, guys. It's very liquidy gel, I must say. If you could see that, oh my god, it just spilled off all over, just like that. It has a strong chemical smell. I don't know. The fragrance is too much actually. It's just too much. You have to be careful while handling this bottle, guys. I am a mess all over right now, I must tell you. My god, it's such a big mess. So yes, that's the next product we have. And up next is another toner from Alps Goodness. This is the Amba Haldi toner, and this is very plain in smell. It doesn't have much of a fragrance. It's a very light smell. And the next product we have is a Good Vibes Cherry Blossom Revitalizing Shower Gel. This product I got it as a free gift for purchasing for some amount on Purple. The next product is the Good Vibes Chamomile Lotus Calming Skin Repair Night Cream, yet again from Good Vibes Plus. And this product is also all over. I don't know, I feel they just stuffed the bottle extra. So I'm not sure why actually this happens. Now this is another free product I got, and this is from Good Vibes. This is a mood uplifter diffuser oil with lemon, peppermint and wild orange. And guys, actually there is a seal to this bottle, if you could see. And without that, it's already smelling great. Amazing smell.
Yes.
It smells very nice, guys. I just love the smell. Correct?
Yes.
So yes guys, the next product that we have here is the Tea Tree Oil Control Sleeping Mask from Good Vibes. A lot of tea tree products actually. I heard tea tree is good for acne. So that's the reason I have bought this. Let's try and see how it works, and I will definitely share a review with you guys. As I told you, I got a free product with the hair care essentials kit from the Mom's Co. This is what I got. This is so much, it smells like some grocery store bag. And yes, I got these two, one shampoo and one conditioner free in this kit. The MRP of this actual kit is 227. Yeah, she loves almost all the products smell, guys. So that's only the thing she gets actually. So yes, here I am with the next product, which is Alps Goodness Licorice Powder, which is 50 grams of the product. I got it somewhere around 80, I guess. Yes. And I make a lot of DIY, so I thought let me try this. The next product we have is Alps Goodness Sandalwood Powder. Again for the DIYs, 50 ml of the product, 50 grams of the product is what I got. The next product is the Alps Goodness Castor Oil and Bhringraj Hair Fall Control Hair Oil. So now if you guys know, I have been using Bhringraj therapeutic hair oil from Biotic from a very long time. So I thought I saw a lot of YouTubers speak a lot about this oil. So I just thought about using this and trying it out. So I will be using it. Let's see how it works. The next and the last product, guys, is something that I told you earlier that I will show you in the last. This is something I wanted from a long time, but I was not sure if I should buy it because it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, let me reveal it, not to keep a lot of suspense. This is a Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. It has so many colors. If you are someone who likes to play with colors, this did attract me, but I was not sure if I should buy it or not because I was not sure if I could actually work with it. So but finally I did my mind and I bought it, and I just got it for 200 rupees and 16 colors. Look at that, it has 16 colors and it is actually a dupe for NYX eyeshadow palette which has similar colors. So yes, I just don't feel like swatching, but let me just swatch a few shades for you guys. They have a mixture of both shimmery and matte colors. So yes, this is how the shades look like. They are just amazing. I will share a detailed swatches and review of these products very soon with you guys. So yes guys, that's it for today. If you have liked this video, don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe.
yes, subscribe to my channel and participate in the giveaway guys, so that even you will have some good content. I promise that I will get you good contents. So that's all for today now guys. Until my next video, take care.